Are you ready to say goodbye to hormone imbalances? Well, in today's video, you're going to learn an incredible smoothie bowl hack that will change your life. And stay tuned until the end because I have a special gift just for you. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Renee, and I help women balance their hormones naturally and rewire their brain for better health. And just a little reminder, if you enjoy what you learn in today's video, don't forget to subscribe. And I'd really appreciate a thumbs up so I know you resonate with the content. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. And before we get into it, a little disclaimer, the videos on this channel are for informational and educational purposes only. They're not intended to be taken as professional medical advice. While I am a doctor, I'm not your doctor. So do me a huge favor. If you have a medical need or a health concern, please consult your own personal doctor or healthcare practitioner. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get into it. Today, we're going to talk about how you can balance your hormones through diet. Hormone imbalances can cause a variety of symptoms like fatigue, mood swings, and weight gain, and take a toll on your overall health. Now, you might be feeling tired all the time, have trouble managing your weight, or experience those mood swings. I know these symptoms can be frustrating, but the good news is that what you eat can have a huge impact on your hormone levels. By incorporating the right foods into your diet, you can help your body achieve better hormonal balance. Without further ado, let's dive into the ultimate hormone balancing smoothie bowl recipe. Now, this is one of my personal favorites, and this smoothie bowl includes key ingredients that are specifically beneficial for hormone health. So here is what you need. Number one, almond milk. It's a great dairy-free option that provides calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for hormone production. I make a homemade almond milk, but you can use store-bought. Protein powder. Now you can choose a plant-based protein powder or whey. Protein helps stabilize your blood sugar levels and provides the necessary building blocks for hormone synthesis. Raspberries, which can be either frozen or fresh. They are packed with antioxidants and fiber, which help your body detoxify and support estrogen metabolism. Now, as far as raspberries, I personally use organic. So if they are in season, I usually buy fresh. But reality of the situation, most of the time here in New York, the fresh raspberries look pathetic and go bad within a day or so. So I usually get frozen. Next ingredient are chia seeds. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory and crucial for hormone production. And then one of my favorites, avocado. Rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, avocados support hormone health and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. I love how creamy avocados make my smoothies and my smoothie bowls. And final ingredient that I love is spinach. It's loaded with magnesium, which is important for not only your hormone balance, but also stress management. Again, I either use fresh or frozen, but I opt for fresh most of the time. So when you combine these ingredients, you get a delicious, nutrient-dense smoothie bowl that can help support your hormone health. If you want it thinner, just add more of your liquid. And if you want it thicker for a bowl, so you can add toppings, then add less liquid. I highly recommend adding in a source of protein, high fiber fruits and veggies, as well as a superfood like chia seeds to maximize the benefits from your smoothie. Many times I add superfoods to the top of my smoothie bowls. And as a gift, I am offering you the smoothie builder that is included in my program, the Hormone Code, and I'm giving it to you for free. In it, you'll get nutritious yet delicious options to change up your smoothie bowl ingredients. I don't know about you, but I like to change it up and keep it interesting or else I get bored. And in the smoothie builder, I also include my favorite superfood toppings. So do not forget to snag your free copy below. Balanced hormones are key to helping you feel your best, and making simple dietary changes can have a huge impact. I find that smoothies and smoothie bowls are an easy way to stay on track with balancing your hormones. They're really refreshing in the summer, and they fit easily into our busy lifestyles. Give the smoothie bowl recipe a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, check out this video where I talked about my hair hack that is not only cost effective, but works. And with that, we'll see you right back here next week. Ciao.